As I've mentioned, sobrang tamang-tama lang yung layout and sizes niya considering the lot size is only 120 square meters. Perfect talaga siya sa mga nag-uumpisang mag-invest and gusto yung parang tamang-tama lang yung size para sa kanila. Para at least na-update kayo sa aming update, tawag doon, future house tours. Nakakapagod mag-house tour. If your budget is 11.6 million pesos, don't skip the video because today we are going to tour around of this modern Scandinavian two-story house and lot for sale here in Metrogate, Angeles City, Pampanga. Welcome guys! Belle here, your trusted real estate broker here in Pampanga. And ito na yon, we have a new listing. This one is not brand new, but it's well maintained. Halos makikita nyo sa loob. You can check later kung gaano ka-maintain yung bahay, halos nga parang hindi man nagamit. No? So for the size of the property, it has a total lot area of 120 square meters and the floor area is 190 square meters. So the design is very minimalist with a light beige color and white accent and a wood accent, di ba? So dito, we have a one-car carport. So pahaba siya guys. So even pick up truck, kasyang-kasya dito. And right there is meron tayong another open space. You can have that as your, part of service area. So, nandun sa side, maya ko na lang siya pakita. But, right there, may makikita kayo na, water tank and filter also. Naka-water pressure na din yung house na to. Okay. So, right here, we have an elevated porch. But I'm going to show you this very simple landscape pocket garden. So, yung mga ganitong gardens, very low maintenance kasi ano lang sila, pocket lang sila. Okay? So, here, ang kagandahan ng main door natin, meron siyang screen door. So, ayan siya. Now, here is your main door, guys. Naka-open na siya kasi meron siyang passcode. But you have a digital door lock and meron din siyang parang yung manual lang. Sige. Deadlock. Okay. Let's come in. Okay, so pagpasok natin, masasabi mo na talaga kung ano yung design ng bahay. Like for example, your living area, it's really have that Scandinavian inspired design because of the light colors, the wood accent, and white color. So this is your living area. So this is our all included sa selling price, and alam niyo guys, sobrang sarap lang din niya sa mata kasi yung mga light color lang din siya. And then, very homey, very cozy. So, yun, dito meron tayong accent chair. We have this long sofa, leather, and then a center table. And ito yung nagustuhan ko dito sa living area natin. This built-in shelvings and entertainment console. 'Di ba? Ang ganda din niya. It's like Pinterest-like din yung design niya with some LED lighting. Tapos, some shelvings on it. And nagustuhan ko sa mga cabinetries nila is very sleek and very clean lang din tingnan. Push to open lang sila, wala silang handle. Same sa kitchen, makikita nyo mamaya. So, yan, some shelvings on it. Tapos may mga drawers din tayo underneath. And this one is also included. Now, adjacent to it, syempre meron tayo 6-seater dining table. Ito pahaba kasi ito. This house is really perfect for growing family, 4 to 5 siguro, no? So, pwedeng-pwede talaga siya. Sobrang cute lang din ng bahay. Simple lang din niya for the size, di ba? So, yeah. So, dandun pa rin yung consistency ng design, even the, yung choice ng furniture nila. Hindi talaga nakaka-overwhelm. Even the fixtures, yung mga wall accent, di ba? Yung mga ganito na lang accent is, ganito na yung mga modern ngayon. Okay? So, it's an open plan layout. We have also this kitchen area. So, we have an island counter. So, tama-tama lang din yung size niya. We have 3 stools right here. So, here, if you are standing here, makikita mo na agad yung family mo or your guest mo kasi sobrang cute lang din or tama-tama lang din yung size niya. Okay? And mostly, sa mga ina-house tour natin, most of them are open layout concept. Kayo ba guys, ano yung mas prefer nyo sa bahay? Yung may wall partition o yung mga ganito? Kasi yung mga ganitong size, mas maganda talaga na open plan layout para at least hindi magmukhang masikip yung bahay ka-enter mo. Okay. So, continue. Dito naman at may back, meron tayong another countertops, very long. And then, meron tayong subway tiles with dito. Mm-hmm. And then we have two sink right here, a stove, range hood, another shelvings. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, yung mga cabinetries nila, push to open sila. And it's very sleek and it's very clean to look at. Tapos, meron din tayong kasamang refrigerator. Parang yung ref nga, hindi man nagamit, no? Kasi naka-plastic pa, oh. Yun. Okay, and also meron din palang installed CCTV cameras. I think that's 6 CCTV cameras included. And don't you worry, just the extra security lang naman yan. But Metro Gate Subdivision is very secured, it's gated, and nagro-roving naman yung security guard. Okay. So, ayan sila. Open natin. Yung iba kasi gusto nilang makita. Yan. Let's see if it is soft close. So, soft close naman. Okay. So, we have a door right here that will lead us to your service kitchen. Ito yung kanina, no, sa side. So, dito, another thing, meron tayong countertop, cabinetries, and 2 sink. Tapos, may mga drawers na din. And then, dito, yung kanina sa side. Yun. Tapos, kagandahan niya, meron siyang gate dito for extra security na din, syempre. Yun, let's go. Let's go back. Okay, guys. So, ano yung gusto nyo? Kasi for sure mako-compare nyo yung last house tour namin na before this one. So, magkaiba din kasi sila. Ito kasi more on simple lang yung design, yet very cozy pa rin. So, we have 2 doors right here. This one is the common toilet and bath on the ground floor. So, meron tayong medicine cabinet. Medicine cabinet siya. Yan. Alam ko na yung mga design niya dito, kaya alam ko medicine cabinet siya. So, we have sink, a toilet, and syempre yung shower area natin. Next. Even the flooring, gusto ko din yung pagka-design niya. Nandun talaga yung tawag doon? Yung design ng bahay talaga nandun pa rin. Yung more on wood accent. So, this one, the first bedroom on the ground floor. Pero I think ginawa ata ni owner ng maid's room kasi may bunk bed siya. Pero nasa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin dito or on how you will utilize this room. Pero ito kasama na din yung bunk bed. Okay. Now I'm going to show you pala under your stairs, no? So, lilaglagay sila ng pull-out drawers. Gusto ko yung mga ganito eh. Yan. So, more storage spaces sa bahay natin for your cleaning materials or shoes or anything. So, yan. Tapos, may mga shelvings pa siya. So, at least marami tayong lagayan and na-maximize yung space natin under the stairs. At hindi siya pangat tignan actually kasi may mga ganito din siya. Let's go up. Okay. Now, for your stairs naman, very simple then. You have these wooden handrails, tempered glass, and then the wooden steps. Hindi ka malilito talaga sa design ng bahay kasi you know what, parang dalawa lang eh. Parang wood and white, di ba? Even yung mga paint natin, ha? Tapos yan, meron tayong corner dito. It's up to you, pwede ka maglagay ng console or altar. Yan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 doors. So, this one, 3, 4. Oh, pala 4 doors. Okay, so this one is the common toilet and bath. So, you have sink, a mirror, tapos full enclosed na din yung shower area natin. Yan. Okay guys, so before ko buksan to, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para at least na-update kayo sa aming tawag doon, future house tours. Nakakapagod mag-house tour. So yun guys, so nakarami na kami. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan kasi marami tayong mga listings here in Pampanga. So kung naghahanap ka ng bahay, abangan mo yan sa aming mga YouTube channel. Okay. Okay, there you go. So this one is the bedroom number 2. So, we have this bed right here. Kasama na yan. Meron na tayong closet. And kagandahan sa mga window natin, may grills na sila. Kasi some of our buyers, no, gusto nila ganun eh. For extra security na din kasi. So, yan. May grills na din. Meron din tayong vanity mirror right here. Wala lang siyang TV, pero may outlet naman siya doon. Tapos may ACU na din. Okay. Let's check the other rooms. Okay. Tama-tama lang din yung space niya. Yung layout ng bahay, very ano lang din siya. Very cute. Tama yung mga size ng rooms. 'Di ba? Hindi pa rin makipot or masikip. So, yeah. So, you still have space here. Pwede ka maglagay ng study table. No? Tapos nandito yung bed nyo. Meron tayong closet doon. Maganda din yung mga closet nila. Dito. Ito siya. Cute din ng mga handles, look. Yan. Okay, sa shelving sa net. Drawers, ay may damit. Tapos, yun, beddings. Next. May balcony pala dun. Next is the master bedroom. So, meron tayong king size to, no? I think. So, this one is a king size bed. Tapos, yan. 2 windows there. Tapos, meron tayong... Maya ko napakita yun. But that one is your toilet and bath. Di na ako lalabas kasi naka-grill. So, this one, may sarili siyang balcony. And you have a view outside. So, on this side, wala ka pang kapitbahay. So, nandito na din yung monitor ninyo for CCTV cameras. So, you have 6 installed CCTV cameras. So, ayan siya. Nakikita tayo dyan. So, yan. Tapos, dito, wala siyang TV. Pero you can put, of course. And ensuite, toilet and bath. But I think this one is a walk-in closet. So, there you go, guys. Okay lang din yung walk-in closet niya. No? Marami siyang lagayan. Ang cute ng mga handles nila na ganito. Yan. Tapos vanity. Tapos dito, another closet and drawers. As I've mentioned, sobrang, tamang-tama lang yung layout and sizes niya, considering the lot size is only 120 square meters. Perfect talaga siya sa mga nag-uumpisang mag-invest and gusto yung parang tamang-tama lang yung size para sa kanila. So, and of course, this one is only 11.6 million, no? So, this one is your ensuite toilet and bath. You have your toilet, sink, medicine cabinet, and then dito yung shower space natin. Even yung mga shower nila, guys, tamang-tama lang din yung space nila. Kasi yung iba parang kipot na eh. Sobrang hirap na mag-shower din. And also yung mga shower fixtures, okay din. Okay. Do we need to show this one? Yeah. So dito we have a small hallway. Tapos meron tayong balcony. Na-open ko yung balcony. So, yun siya. Mainit nga lang. Doon na tayo mag-recap mamaya. But this one is your balcony. So, tignan nyo, nagka-balcony pa kayo dito. So, perfect siya for tambayan. Maglagay ka lang ng outdoor furniture here or coffee table. So, yun. Let's do a recap. Let's go back inside kasi medyo mainit sa labas. Okay. Okay, so... For this property, we have a total lot area of 120 square meters and the total floor area is 190 square meters. You have 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. It's furnished. It's pre-owned, but as you can see, it's well maintained. And for only 11.6 million, you will get this already if you're looking for a house here in Pampanga. And it's located here in Metrogate Subdivision. It's very secured. It's very near NLEX, Marque Mall, Landers, and other establishments. Alam na alam nyo na yan kung viewers talaga kayo ni Unbox. Marami tayong mga listings here in Metrogate Subdivision. Now, what do you think about this house? Let me know in the comment section. And if this is the house that you are looking for, please schedule a viewing dahil mas ma-appreciate nyo siya sa personal. Hope to see you here soon. Paalam!